So anyway, yeah, this is for that that contest I'm entering for the original Mecha competition, and yeah, so I'm just showing this off, and I was just kind of going over some designs. I had done a few quickie sketches the other day, just to show a couple of people like some ideas I had. And I mean, these took a few seconds, so I wanted to flesh it out a little bit more and give somebody an idea. I mean, these aren't exactly really quick ones either. I mean, slow ones either. I don't know how long I've been on, but not long. But yeah, this is going to be, I wanted to give the, make it a racing mech, and I wanted to give it a kind of a very feminine, athletic look. So very long and lean, really short, thick thighs and long calves on a kind of a rollerblade type of platform. You know, with some shock elements and stuff. And then here's the pilot. And this is, you're probably looking at about actual size. So if you look at my hand, and I got a pretty good size hand. Let's look at it this way. That's about actual size. So this looks like about, this is a 9x12 pad. The 12 cuts off right at this perforation here, so you're looking at probably about an 11-inch tall. And keep in mind, it's in a sort of a prone, not really prone, but not an erect position. So I mean, pretty close to actual size, I think.